Okay, so I have nearly 14 plus years of experience in IT industry. And in these 14 plus years of experience, these are the technologies I've been working. And also, I'm the first trainer in India for this Microsoft Power BI. And I started this Azure Data Engineering as well as a second trainer in India. I have written almost three books on this data engineering course. So you can follow our website as well. So inside the website, so the books what I have published here also, you can able to see it over here. So these are the books I have written on data engineering as well, Power BI. Okay. And also we have a YouTube channel as well. So you just simply type inside the YouTube e-classes education. So e-classes education is our YouTube channel. There you can able to get all the videos of the course as well. So we were uploading every day. There are so many videos we are uploading over here. Okay. So currently we have almost 15,000 subscribers on my channel as well. Okay. So the channel name is e-classes education. So you can follow this channel as well. Okay. So what exactly we are going to discuss in today's session? So many of you in this course who have joined having different kind of background people. So you want to upskill your knowledge from the existing technology into demanding technology. So as a part of this demanding technology, we were identifying the data engineering is the best option currently in the market comparing to other technologies. Okay. So I'm going to teach you data engineering and data analyst course with the combination of three things. Okay. So data engineering and a data analyst. So to become a data engineer and a data analyst, if you are completing this Azure data engineering, Microsoft Fabric and Power BI, you will become a data engineer and data analyst over here. So I'm going to give in detailed discussion in this demo session. In this demo session, this Azure Data Engineering course, Microsoft Fabric course, and Power BI course. Do we need to learn all these three technologies to become a data engineer? And inside these three technologies, what things we are going to learn? Everything we are going to discuss it over here. Okay, we are going to discuss everything over here. Okay, so before jumping into this in detail discussion of this data engineering and data analyst over here, we were going to provide for every student a free of cost LMS portal as well. So this is our LMS portal. Every student is going to learn the courses from our LMS portal. So when you are joining this course, you will get a login for this LMS portal free of cost. And also we are going to provide a mobile app for every student to access the class recording videos and to join the live classes as well. And the main beautiful thing we were like many students are facing in the session when it's going on, you guys will ask the questions if you have anything. But after the session, when you are practicing how you are going to reach a trainers, for that we are going to provide a chat option over here. So if you have any technical questions when the session is going on, simply you can click on this chat and you can communicate with me. I will receive the messages from you, then I will reply to you if you are facing any technical things over here. Okay, right. So if you see, most of the people whoever joined in this today demo session, as per my last 8 to 10 years of experience in this trainings part, we have identified five different kind of category people are trying to learn this course. So the first category is some people already working in IT, but they were working for a different technology. It can be a Java, it can be a QA, it can be a .NET, it can be a test engineer, it can be anything. So those technologies are legacy technologies currently. Okay, that means there are no new openings for those technologies, whatever you are working over here. So definitely there is no new projects, there is no new openings. So that is the reason many of the people are upskilling from the existing technology into new technology. If they are not upskilling, then definitely your job is in the risk over here. Okay. So the first category people are, they have already 10 years or 15 years or 5 years of experience in one of the technology, but now they want to upskill to this data engineering technology to get a better opportunity. The second category is, some people are working currently in non IT, not in the IT. They were working in the non IT technology. So now they want to switch to IT. So they are identifying a demanding technology to upskill and to get the job and switch their career from non IT jobs into IT jobs. Non IT means they are working like a accountant, faculty, customer executive, or whatever it is. Now, third category. So these people does not have any work experience in any IT or non-IT. So what they are doing, they are having some career gap. Why they have a career gap? Might be they were preparing for a government exams or bank exams, or they were doing a business, but now they want to start their career in the IT. So they have some career gap over here. So these kind of people also trying to learn our data engineering course. The fourth category is, some people have experience in IT or non-IT, but from last 1 year or 1.5 year, they were not working anywhere. What might be the reason? The reason is because they don't have like I mean, the reason why they were not working is because of layoffs. They lost their job because they were not upskilling. Okay, so some health issues, whatever the reason, they have a gap in the career from last 1.5 year. So those kind of people also trying to upskill to data engineering. The last category is the freshers. They are recently passed out people, are also trying to learn this course over here. So most of the people in this today demo session belongs to these four technologies, say four categories. Category 1, working in IT already. Category 2, working in non IT. Category 3, have a career gap. Category 4, have a experience already in IT or non IT, but they have some career gap. I just want to understand how many people belongs to category 1, how many people belongs to category 2, how many people belongs to category 3. Can you guys just please ping category number? If you belongs to category 1, say 1 or 2, 3, 4, like that. Then others also can able to understand what type of people are trying to learn this course over here more. So Santosh category 1, Chinmay 3, Santosh Naidu 2, Deepthi 1, Thiru 1, Praveen 1, Amarnath 1, Kalyan 1, Hasanti 1. See, most of the people belongs to the category 1. That means they are working in different technology already in IT. They want to switch to, they want to upskill their knowledge into most demanding technology in the market currently. It's a data engineering technology. Okay. And also after that, we have a category 2 and category 3 also we have over here. So few people having category 4 also. Okay. All right. Perfect. So this course is more suitable for the people who belongs to these four categories. I don't recommend to learn category 5. So for category 5 people, they can learn a Python with the AI related courses only. But category 1, 2, 3, 4. These people belongs to already have some career gap, having some experience. Generally, what these people will do, these four category people, they will complete this data engineering course. After completion of this data engineering course, they are going to applying for the jobs as a experienced person. They don't apply for the jobs like a fresher. Okay, definitely all of you, after completion of this course, you have to apply for the jobs as a experienced. How much experience? It's going to be 2 to 5 years range of experience you need to apply it over here. 2 to 5 years of experience you need to apply. 2 to 5 years. Okay. For example, one person, he's already working in IT. He has a 10 years of QA test engineering experience he has. Now, he's going to learn this data engineering course. After completion of this data engineering course, then how he is going to prepare his resume, how he is going to put experience on this data engineering, and how he is going to applying for the jobs. Let's take, he has overall 10 years of experience. Out of 10 years, that will be split into two parts. 6 years into previous testing experience, whatever he has, we can put 6 years into previous testing experience. 4 years, 4 years we can put into data engineering experience over here. Got it? Overall 10 years experience he has. The 10 years we can break down into 6 years he has a experience in the starting of the career QA test engineer, 4 years into data engineering. For example, he has a package of currently with this 10 years of experience, 70 lakhs as the package for annum. Then how much he can able to expect on this data engineering course when he's going to switch to new position? He can expect in between 25 to 30 lakhs. Up to 40 lakhs, companies are offering packages for the data engineers over here. Let's take another profile. He has a overall 5 years of IT experience, or he has 5 years of career gap. Then, so when he has a 5 years of career gap, you can mention your experience as a 4 to 5 years range on the data engineering. Okay, so finally, what we concluded here, every student, mostly whoever is going to join this course, upskilling this course, definitely he is going to applying a jobs by putting some experience. So when you are going to keep experience, definitely whatever the interviews you are going to face, those interviews also in that level only. Am I right or wrong? You are not going to apply like a fresher. You are going to applying for a experienced positions. When you are going to applying for the jobs like a experienced positions, so many of the people what they are doing, they are not serious about the course. They were not learning properly the course. Then after, to crack the interviews, what they are doing, they are going to take proxy calls. They are going to take the help of the someone and cracking the interviews. And after joining to the company, they were working in the real time projects by taking someone work support over here. But without taking any proxy interviews or without taking anyone work support, how to get a confidence to crack your interview yourself, how to work on the projects. If you see, so many of you has inquired in other training institutions also about this course. Am I right or wrong? Definitely. In any training institution, if you observe, they were offering a course with a program, a data engineering training program. Only one particular program they're offering over here. It's like a program one, data engineering, regular traditional training program they are offering. So, what exactly this data engineering training course contains in every training institution is definitely they are going to provide 2 months. It's nothing but a 60 days. Of course, we are also providing 60 hours. And every day we are going to take the live sessions. The sessions are going to be Monday to Friday, weekly 5 days we are going to take, daily 1 hour session. And also every day once the class completed, we are going to provide the class recording videos also available in our LMS portal. So this recording videos access you will have up to 3 years. Okay. And also they are providing sample resumes, certification guidance. After completion of this course, the certification exam what you need to take is DP-700 certification. And also we should provide daily class notes, interview question and answers, end-to-end projects. This is what every training institution most commonly they are providing to every student. Am I right? But what we were special and what we were providing to the students as a experienced people when you are going to apply for the jobs, there are two things we are special comparing to other training institution. The one thing is, if you go to any training institution, either they will teach you Azure Data Engineering, either they will teach you Microsoft Fabric, either they will teach you Power BI. But we are teaching Azure Data Engineering plus Fabric plus Power BI. All three in single platform we are going to teach. All three in single platform we are going to teach. So at the end of the course, you will become a master in data engineering, in Microsoft Fabric, in Power BI. So you can able to applying for the positions as a data engineer in Azure, as a Fabric data engineer, as a Power BI developer, or a data analyst, data factory developer, data bricks developer. There are so many positions you can able to cover. The reason because if you are learning only Microsoft Fabric, this Microsoft Fabric is from last 1.5 to 2 years only in the market. Earlier to Microsoft Fabric, in the market we have Azure Data Engineering because Azure Data Engineering itself has turned into Microsoft Fabric over here. Azure Data Engineering has turned into Microsoft Fabric. I hope you understand. So, if you don't have a knowledge on the Azure Data Engineering, if you have a direct knowledge on the Microsoft Fabric, when you are going to put a resume of 4 years of experience, you cannot put the 4 years of experience because Fabric is in the market from last 1.5 to 2 years only. So when we are going to mention experience in your profile, we will put I have experience on Azure Data Engineering. Okay. Then from last 2 years, I've been working on the Microsoft Fabric. Also have experience on the Power BI reports as well. So this is how we are going to teach you all three in single course. Okay. All three in single course. And this is the main advantage. You can check in any training institution, are they teaching all these three or not? Second point, why we are special. In the second thing, if you see, every training institution is providing this one. That means this program one, data engineering training, 60 hours, the live sessions Monday to Friday, whatever the content. But we were providing few more extra things as a experienced person to gain full confidence on this course. We are going to provide another program. There is a program 2 also we are giving for every student whoever is enrolling for the program 1. So what exactly this program 2? The program 2 is a real time placement assistance program. It's a placement assistance program. So what exactly we are going to discuss in this placement assistance program? What benefits you will get? This program 2 we will start after 1 month of the program 1 starts. So this program 1 we are going to start from this coming Monday. So after 1 month, that means some part of the syllabus has completed, then we will start this program 2. So this program 2 is only on the weekends. Program 1 is only on the weekdays. So Monday to Friday we will take regular classes on the training. Saturday, Sunday we will take this real time classes. So what exactly in this real time program we are going to discuss? This is basically 30 to 40 hours duration. Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours. So mostly on the Saturday 8 a.m. Monday, so sorry, Saturday, Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. we will take these real time programs. So what benefits you will get in the program 2? So agile methodology, many of the people are already working in the agile method, correct? So most of the projects in the real time, they are implementing in a agile methodology, like a sprint model. So what we were doing, whatever the Azure Fabric courses you are going to learn it over here, most of the students, they are like reverting back. They were telling, sir, when we are going to the interviews, they were asking some scenario based questions. And also when we are going to joining the projects, we are unable to work on some technical advanced scenarios. So to overcome these two issues, we were creating some 200 plus scenario based tasks. So we are creating like a agile sprint model for all these tasks. Okay, agile sprint model for all these tasks, and those you can able to see it over here. Sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3, sprint 4, sprint 5. Okay, sprint 5. So this is how we are creating some tasks over here. Let's, for example, one of the scenario, create a new data factory and copy data from on-premises SQL server to blob storage without installing new self-hosted integration runtime. This is one scenario. Even in the real time also you are going to work. So these kind of tasks we are going to assign on your name. We have 200 plus scenarios like this. So we will assign this task on your name. Okay. And you need to start working in progress, right? So you can read more description on this task. If you have any questions, you can able to comment it over here when you are working. You never see this kind of platform in any training institution when you are working over here. This will make a lot of confidence for every student. Okay, when you are going to work on this task, if you are getting any doubts, who will help you? So what we were doing, whatever the 200 tasks we have, this 200 tasks, you need to complete yourself. If you have any doubt how to complete this task, we will provide a reference video also for you. So you can watch that video also how to do this task. Still you have some questions. Still you have some questions on this task. Then on the Saturday morning 8 a.m. We have 2 hours of the time. This is completely a discussion with our mentor. Okay. A separate mentor will connect with you, all of you. He will help you to discuss about your questions. Let's, for example, some people will get a question. So, can we do this same task in a different solution? And when this task exactly we are using in the real time projects when we are implementing these kind of questions, when you have, you can make a lot of discussion over there with the many people, and many experts also can join over there. Okay. So this weekly sprints we are going to run, and also we are going to conduct some weekly tests you can write down, and also we are going to provide two end-to-end projects. Two end-to-end projects we are going to provide to you. One project is in the one project is in the Azure platform, another project in the Microsoft Fabric platform. This is also in a agile methodology. We will make you hands-on. All right. The main thing is interview question and answers. We need to prepare for the interview question and answers. That is very, very important actually, because when you are going to the interview, they will ask you out of technical questions also. Like, for example, what are all the challenges you are facing from last projects? Tell me about your current project end to end flow. And what is your experience and everything, introduction, how to tell. All those things we are going to discuss as a part of the interview question and answers. Then, profile to profile, we will help you to prepare your resume. To prepare your resume. Then, we are going to conduct some mock interviews as well. Because if you're directly going to this, if you're directly going to the interview, the first 1 2 interviews, because of nervousness, of lack of practice, you may not able to crack that. To avoid those kind of things also, we are going to conduct some mock interviews over here. Okay. And also we are going to provide a complete certification guidance as well. Okay. So my entire roadmap to learning to interview confidence and interview preparation, placement assistance, then after certification, then after placement guarantee. So here there are total 4 departments are working in our organization. First, training. Second one, placement assistance. Next one, certification. Next one, placement guarantee. Okay. So first our focus is training program. Training program 1. Program 1 is completely we are focusing on the training part of this Azure, Fabric and Power BI. Then after, there is a program 2. This is a placement assistance. Program 2. This is placement assistance. So here we are following agile method, 2 projects, interview preparation and mock interviews. This is the second step. Third step is certification. Certification. So which certification we need to complete after completion of this course? DP-700. So DP-700 is the certification exam you need to write down. Then after placement guarantee. Okay. So what exactly this placement guarantee? So this department having some tie-ups with organizations. Okay. So they will help you to move your profile to different organizations. They are frequently getting the openings, job openings from different organizations. So they will take care of your placement of your profile. So they will support you until you are getting the job. Okay. They have a support until getting the job. So this is how we have a this is how we have a four different levels. This is level 1, level 2, then level 3, then level 4. So here only we are getting certification guidance. Okay. So our role is we are going to help you now these two parts. Program 1, the training on this Azure Fabric Power BI. Program 2 on the placement assistance. Okay. So you are going to enroll for these two programs. These two programs are it's a combination of one enrollment only. It's going to be one enrollment only over here. So we are going to charge for these two programs, the program 1 and program 2 with the combination 25,000 is the fees they are going to charge for this program 1 and program 2. Maximum 90 percentage of the students were able to crack their certification exam. Certification is not mandatory, but if you have this certification, then it's well and good. Because in the competition, if you have a certification on this DP-700 also as a data engineer in the fabric, you will have a like your resume will be filtered more. Okay. So for this, first you need to complete this program 1 and program 2. Then 90% of the students are getting confidence to crack the certification yourself, to get placed yourself by attending the interviews. Still, after completion of this program 1 and program 2, if you guys are unable to, if you guys don't have a confidence to complete your certification, or if you need further any placement help, then we will refer to other department. Okay. So this part will be taken care by someone. So we will forward your profile to these people. Okay. So whatever the assistance or need help in this two placement and the certification, you can speak with them and you can get that service from them. Okay. So this is what the roadmap we are going to clearly providing for every student over here. Okay. First, let's so far we have discussed about our roadmap and what exactly in this course we are going to provide and what are the advantages of this program and program 2. I have explained very clearly the roadmap. Is it clear for everyone so far? So this training classes, the regular sessions we are going to start from Monday. So today is Saturday, right? Tomorrow is Sunday. From day after tomorrow's Monday onwards, we are going to start these timings. I just want to ask one question, guys, from all of you. This sessions I'm planning in the morning 9 a.m. Is that fine for everyone? If I'm starting these sessions morning 9 a.m., What is your feasible timings? Is that fine for everyone? Praveen, yes. Sandhya, yes. Kalyan, no. Provide your preferable timings also. Akram, no. No, we are working professionals. Santosh, yes. Amarnath, okay. Ha, Hashanti, no. Srinivas, yes. Thiru, yes. Sanjay Kumar, okay. Santosh, okay. After 6:30 or 7, is it PM or AM? Abhishek? So whoever is not possible, those people, please provide your available timings. Okay, so Abhishek is looking for evening. Okay, Lakshmi Prasad, okay. Kalyan before 8:30. Okay, perfect. Got it, got it. Okay, no issues. Uh, make it little earlier, 8 a.m. Okay, but few people it is not possible for 8 a.m. Okay, so our team will tell you the best time for all of you. Okay, the best time for all of you. Uh, but you guys can use the same meeting link to join on the Monday. Okay, let's go to the main point here, guys. What is data engineering? I will tell you very quickly what is data engineering, why this Azure data engineering, why this Microsoft Fabric, Power BI. Let me take one simple scenario, guys. I'm running two supermarkets. Okay, I'm running two supermarkets, supermarket 1 and supermarket 2. Supermarket 1 and supermarket 2. This is another supermarket. In every supermarket, there are some billing counters. As a customer, let's take a DMart. Most of the people are going to DMart, right? Most of the people are going to DMart. In this DMart, they will try to buy a product. Am I right? Once they are finding the product, they will goes to the billing counter. Billing counter. This is another billing counter. In the billing counter, they will do a transactions. Am I right? When they are doing the transactions, immediately the transactions, the business data will goes to, in the backend there is a database. It will goes to backend database over here. Database. Database. We have two databases here. Every day the transactions data from this billing counter to here, 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 it will come. Now, I want to provide some business intelligence solution to my customer. Customer means who is the supermarket owner. He want to understand about his business performance. Why we are doing this data engineering, data analysis? It's all we are going to play with your business data. Your business data will be stored in this databases over here. Who is the customer? How much quantity of the products they have purchased? When they did a transaction? So all this information we are going to provide it over here, the business data. In this databases, we have a business data. Now, whatever the business data we have in two different servers, we need to move that business data into one centralized location. So the data, whatever I have in this business server, I want to move that into a cloud environment. Which cloud? It's a Microsoft Azure cloud. So how to access this Microsoft Azure cloud? By using a web URL www.portal.azure.com. www.portal.azure.com. Inside this Microsoft portal azure.com, we have one software storage account. What purpose we are using this storage account? This we are using to store the data. The storage account we are going to use to store a data. Storage account we are going to use to store our data. Whatever the data we want to move from this two different databases, how to move? By using a tool, Data Factory. Once the data is coming to storage account, that we need to transform. We need to clean by using a tool, Data Bricks. After your data cleaning and transformation, where you will save? Into data warehousing. It's nothing but a Synapse data warehousing. Synapse data warehousing. This is the final location target we are going to save our data. So once your data is saved in this Synapse data warehousing, that data we are going to use to design the reports and dashboards. To design the reports and dashboards, we are going to use another cloud environment. It's nothing but a Power BI cloud. Okay. So how to log into this Power BI cloud? The Power BI cloud, the website is www.app.powerbi.com. www.app.powerbi.com. All right. www.app.powerbi.com. So by taking the data from this Synapse into this Power BI, we are going to designing of the reports and dashboards. Power BI is a reporting tool like a Tableau. Earlier days we have Cognos, SSRS, MicroStrategy for visualizing the data. For visualizing the data over here. Got it? There are so many software services, all services. What do you want? For example, if you want data factory, so simply you can use data factory, you can able to create any software service. Okay. Okay. Any software service, you can able to create it over here. If you want to design the Power BI reports, you need to go to app.powerbi.com. Okay. app.powerbi.com. So inside this app.powerbi.com, we have a Power BI to design the reports and dashboards. Then why Fabric is coming to the picture? What is Fabric then? For data engineering, we are using Microsoft Azure, and for Power BI reports, we are using this one. Then what we have a Microsoft Fabric? I will tell you. Microsoft Fabric is not a new software. Nothing is new. So Microsoft company has so many customers, right? They requested for data engineering projects, we are using Microsoft Azure. For data engineering projects, we are using Microsoft Azure. For Power BI, we are using another cloud. Two different cloud environments we are using. Can't we make all in one platform? Immediately, Microsoft company, what they are doing, whatever the software services available inside this Microsoft Azure cloud, same softwares they have created in the Power BI platform as well. They have here they have data factory, right? Same software in the Microsoft Power BI, they have data pipeline, data pipeline. So if you are learning data factory, almost data pipeline completed. Here they have a storage account, right? Same they have here Lakehouse. And here they have data bricks, right? Same here they have a notebooks. Nothing difference. Same notebooks. Here they have Synapse data warehousing, right? Here they have a data warehousing. Now, whatever the data they have in the data warehousing, they will take the data from data warehouse into this Power BI to design the reports and dashboards. So this is what a Microsoft company is providing data engineering softwares and a Power BI software in one cloud environment, that is www.app.powerbi.com. The moment when this data engineering related and reporting related services available in this platform, from that day onwards, Microsoft company is calling this is a fabric. Existing Power BI cloud, nothing but this one only. This one only. This is nothing but now fabric only. Fabric means it's a combination of data engineering plus data analysis, Power BI, in one cloud platform, that is called Microsoft Fabric. Clear? Is it clear for everyone? Just give me 1 minute break. I will come back. Okay. Just give me 1 minute break. Okay, right. So here, a few guys have one question. Sir, when we are working in these data bricks, in these notebooks, do we need any prior skill on SQL or Python or PySpark? Not required. In this course itself, I'm going to include all these things from basic to advanced level. And one fact I want to tell for everyone, in real time when we are working, we don't write any even single SQL, single Python or PySpark command. Inside this portal, there is a co-pilot has included. There is a co-pilot has included. You can see automatically based on your requirement, it is going to write every command whatever is needed. So you don't need to put much effort on that one. If you have just a basic knowledge on this SQL or Python, that is fair enough. Even if you don't have, we are going to provide that knowledge also as a part of this course over here. Okay. So this is all about today demo session. So we will meet on Monday, the timings and everything. Immediately after the session, our team members will share a link for all of you to join regular sessions from Monday. We are going to take three free sessions today, Monday, Tuesday. Okay. After three free sessions, you guys can decide whether you want to proceed with this course or not. Okay. So this is all about my roadmap. We are providing step by step until you are placed over here. In all aspects, all kind of support from our end, you will get it over here. Okay. Now, if you guys have any questions, you can able to raise your hands and you can ask the questions. Yeah, go ahead the question. Yeah, go
Yeah,
ahead
yeah, go ahead.
question.
Go ahead. Yeah. No, Ram, after completing these three classes, the fourth class will start immediately, or like you'll take a break, or you'll decide the time or not?
There is no break. There is no break.
Okay.
Even we have a single student also class will be continuing.
Yeah. Okay. And one more doubt, like here you mentioned that program one and program two, right? Here you mentioned the price of these two programs. Then what about
Yes.
other three and four? Is there any? What about the charges?
That
They'll be
depends on your service. You can talk with them after the training part.
okay. Thank you. That's it. Let me say.
Hey Ram, this is Santosh. So, at what stage of the training we will be able to start applying for the jobs? Like,
Right. So this is like overall 2 months of the course, right? So I can recommend all of you, you can start after 40 days.
40 days. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, any particular topic you are referring to? Like, instead of
Yeah.
40 days, say, like, do you have any?
Mostly this data factory or data bricks. These two things are very important, data bricks and data factory.
Okay, Databricks and Data Factory.
Yeah. Similarly here, data pipelines and notebooks.
All right.
Like one more doubt. As your experience, are we getting no for a 3 months notice period of time for calls we are getting properly on this data Microsoft Fabric?
It's not related to technology actually.
No, no, no.
3 months notice.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Right. 3 months notice.
3 months notice period is, it's a common scenario in every company mostly we have. That is a difficult process currently many of the employers both are facing actually. Because when you have a 3 months of the notice period, few companies are looking immediate joiners. It can be
Yes.
any technology. It can be
Yes.
Java or whatever it is. So it's like a different case actually. That definitely, if you have immediate joiner 1 month notice period, they are preferring them only. 3 months, like they will take next preference for them.
Okay. Thank you.
So here I am telling in high level only this data factory data pipe. I am telling here the data factory data pipelines in a high level. Okay, these two are in the high level. Storage account Lakehouse, Synapse data warehousing, Power BI, Databricks notebooks. Apart from these services, we are going to cover few other like live streaming, key vaults, logic apps, active directories, data lake gen 2, blob storage, OneLake, Azure SQL database, SQL in local computer. Those also will be included in this course. Those are very small things. That's the reason I'm not providing here. But if you want in detail course content of PDF, our team will share all those details. About this course, if you have any other questions, you can reach out this number 7997457228. This is the point of contact for everyone going forward for every sessions. 7997457228. Okay.
Um, can you get Azure account for practice, or we should only arrange it for practice purposes?
I will guide you how to create yourself.
Yeah, hi Ram, this is Ashwin Sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, so now you're going to cover area of data engineering and fabric as well, right? So
Yes.
weekend classes, huh? In the weekend classes, when we are wearing real-time scenarios and assignments, no?
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
we are going to work on normal data engineering by using bricks and factory and fabric as well, both. No? Both
Both,
scenarios we
both,
will assign, right?
both we will. One project on Azure, one project on Fabric.
So one another small doubt actually. So
Hmm.
data factory, by using data factory, we are pulling the data on source data into our
Yes.
email. So by using data bricks, we are performing transformation activities, and we are pushing to the Lakehouse, Synapse data warehouse,
Data warehouse.
right? Synapse data warehouse. So
Yes.
from there, so in I think Synapse and Databricks both works on Spark and PySpark, right? Queries.
No. Synapse data warehousing is a database to store the data in terms of the tables, like a SQL database. Databricks is a ETL tool. We will write some commands to do the data cleaning transformations by bringing from storage account into loading into Synapse.
So on Synapse, what activities we do more, like after inserting, whether it is inserted as expected or not,
Here
these will be
the
checked. Or,
Synapse data warehousing is purely for storing of the data. But there is one
okay.
service, Synapse Analytics is there. What is Synapse
Uh,
Analytics? Synapse Analytics is a combination of data factory, combination of Databricks, combination of Synapse data warehousing. All these three in single platform, that is Synapse Analytics. So if you are learning data factory, Databricks, data warehousing, then almost Synapse Analytics is completed.
so there we need to work with SQL or tool based Synapse Analytics. Do we need to write any code
That's what I'm
or
telling. Synapse Analytic is not a new thing. It is a combination of data factory, Databricks, and data warehouse. All three services in single place. That is Synapse Analytics.
so we can do all these
Synapse.
activities by using analytics only?
No, no, no. Synapse Analytics itself contains data factory also. Exactly what you are learning data factory separately. Same thing you have in the Synapse Analytics. You no need to learn separately again.
Okay.
Synapse Analytics is not a new development area. It is just a combination of these three in one place.
So that is it. We need to log into separate tenant as a tenant. Synops
Inside the
700
portal
report.
itself, you have a Synapse Analytics, Azure Synapse
Okay.
Analytics. So if you are creating this one, you will get automatically data factory, data bricks, and data warehousing services. Instead of creating separately, if you are creating analytics, all three in one place. That's all.
Okay. Only Power BI is here.
Or be separate.
Power BI. So I think Synops Analytics and Power BI, they both combination is a Power Fabric. It has become now.
Ah,
It's look
yeah,
like.
correct, correct.
So Synapse Analytics also you're going to explain us, right? Or
Yes,
directly Fabric
yes.
will go.
We are going to cover that one also.
Ram,
Any
Yeah,
more
this
I'm
this
question?
also belong
Yeah,
to category
yeah,
one only.
yeah.
one,
As a
one by one. Wait.
This
Let's
Power
go.
BI,
Go ahead,
yeah.
Sandhya.
This Power BI, like report validation, you'll be explaining through or how it is.
Yes, how to design the reports in Power BI, how to publish, how to write the DAX
Tax
calculations, how
commands
to,
also. Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
how to design the data modeling. A to Z we will explain.
Okay.
For DAX also we can use this Copilot, right?
Yes, but I will teach you, but I will tell you how to use that also.
Python also you'll be covering in this or how it is.
Yes, Python basics also we are going to cover. Python basic to PySpark advanced level I will teach.
These commands like we can be pull. I mean, we can take the help of Chat GPT and do it
I
or
will
how
guide
it
you
is.
how to write the prompt also I will teach you. But initially I
Mhm.
will teach without using ChatGPT. But later I
Okay.
will guide you how to use ChatGPT to write the prompts to get the code.
Okay.
And in interviews, what level of coding questions are asked in Python and PySpark?
There are some standard questions are there. So you just prepare an interview point of view those questions because
This
nowadays
sample mock
even
project also will be explaining through Ram,
two
like what are
projects we are explaining. Two projects we are explaining. One is in the
end
Azure,
to
one
end.
is in the Fabric. Yes.
Okay,
End-to-end
end-to-end
hands-on you
discovery.
are going to do. End-to-end
Okay, then
hands-on you are going to do.
will be in a position to explain to the interviewer, right?
Yes.
Okay. Mine is like totally into testing background. That's why like I'm little yeah thinking about it.
70% of the people who join this demo session are in
Mm-hmm.
the testing background only.
Okay. Because
I have
SQL
seen
also
from last,
really
yeah,
yeah that's
from last 1.5 year,
mm-hmm.
many people from testing background are upskilling to data engineering.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, Ram means it was completely in, not a production support, right?
No, it's not production support. It's development only.
Okay.
Hi,
You'll be
Ram.
covering on high level of Gen AI concepts also in this session.
No. Gen A,
Oh,
nothing. We don't touch that one.
okay.
Will you be able to cover API connectivity as well to Salesforce?
Yes. Salesforce, not any other APIs, we will take it.
Okay, yeah, sounds good.
What is
Do
the
you help?
difficulty?
Go ahead one by one.
Sorry. Yeah, thank you. This is Amarnath here. Do you help
Yeah, good.
to create a setup a LinkedIn profile or only this?
LinkedIn profile, we don't actually, but any kind of assistance you need, then definitely I will, our expert will speak with you and will help.
Thank
We
you.
will help you on building the resume and Naukri profile.
Thank you.
Go ahead, Chandu.
Uh, yeah, actually, I am from non-IT side, coming to this IT side, IT sector. And what is the difficulty level, Ram?
See, there are so many people are migrating from non-IT to IT. Okay.
Okay.
So it's all depends on how much you are going to focus on this course. The survival rate is definitely 99% of the people nowadays are surviving because earlier days we don't have a sources or the content when you were working, but now there are so many AI tools like a chat GPT, many automation tools are there to help you to simplify your work and to get the knowledge. Okay, earlier days to write a code you need an expert, but now with a simple chat GPT you will get it that one. Even any kind of problem when you are working, you will get it from the AI tools. So you don't need to worry about that. Just focus on the learning, then definitely you will be succeed.
Okay. And one more question was, what is the toughest thing in this entire course?
Toughest thing means like I don't say this is the toughest. Uh, I cannot say like this is toughest because we were making more simplified at the time of learning. That you need to tell actually while you are learning. This I felt difficult. Can you teach again? Can you help me on this one? Because mostly the people are felt like Databricks is the toughest, but I don't think that.
You make it easy.
Yeah,
Yeah, thank you, Ram.
yeah. So the most challenging thing in this entire IT industry currently in the from any training institution, most of the people were stopped there here only. If you see any other training institution, they are providing up to this mark only. So the next milestone what we were providing is this one. 90% of the our people are placed in these two levels only when you are completing this program 1 and program 2. Further, I I can't say like all 100% people will be placed, will be cracked, the interviews will be get a placement. But if anybody missing, if you need any further assistance on the certification or any placements, we will forward your profile to other department. They will guide you on completely on this one uh, until you are getting the placement. That kind of assurance we are providing over here. So we are covering CI/CD, how to deployment, and CDCS, change data capture. Deepthi, yes, it's incremental loading, how to perform all those things we will cover. If you need a in detail course content, reach out our team. The mobile number is 7997. On my website you can able to see this 7997457228. That number you can reach out. Okay. Okay, guys, let's meet on Monday. Uh, the class timings and everything, our team right away will send information to you. Okay. If you have any timing concerns, please reach out that number and inform to them. They will plan. Okay. Thank you.